Right. That's true. And, you know, there's also the very legitimate
This woman, Kim Lee, put a face on the otherwise anonymous stories of domestic violence in China when she posted photos of her bruises online. They reveal what she says were chronic beatings by her then-husband, the celebrity English teacher Li Yang. Her story went viral in a matter of hours.
I had no idea. I had no idea that overnight it would be 10 and 20,000 people. And I also had no idea that it was so endemic here. I thought it was really my personal problem and not something so widely spread.
China's official women protection agency estimates that 1/4 of women are abused by their spouses, but the actual figure is likely to be higher. Many episodes likely go unreported because authorities seldom take action.
The unifying theme that gave me strength to carry on this long journey was no one does anything. No one helps us. I've been to the police, they don't care. I went to the Women's Federation, they didn't call me back. I tried to talk to my mother said, what are you going to do? He owns the house, he owns the car.
Lee won her divorce case on the grounds of domestic violence, a result that legal workers hailed as a landmark decision. But without a national law defining domestic violence, police, social workers, and the courts are not equipped to handle such cases. Xiaoquan is a women's rights lawyer in Beijing.
The police, which is the first help victims get, they also have the misconception that domestic violence is a family issue. At times, they would even fail to write a report, or they would just write, "Family quarrel is fixed by itself."
Women rights organizations had urged the government to pass a domestic violence law during this year's annual National People's Congress. A draft was discussed during the meetings but was not passed. Activists expect such a law will be adopted eventually, in the coming months or years. Sexologist Fang says the underlying culture also needs to change, and men need to be part of the process.
If we only condemn them and critique them, how can we help them change? I think that an important element in fighting domestic violence is that we have to educate and not just punish them.
Fang says many abusive husbands want to change but need help. He started a hotline in 2010 where he and volunteers speak with men who confess to beating their partners. By talking with them about what is behind the violence, Fang believes he has a chance of stopping it. VOA News, Beijing.